As a new logo, makikita nyo, nagbago na ng logo ang Essensa Natural. Okay? Natin. Essensa Natural is came up for the innovative product, improvement, okay? Kumbaga, growthment ng isang company. And then, kumbaga, ang concentration ng company is kumbaga, innovation of product. So, naniniwala tayo, innovation of product, it come from, kumbaga, is yung productivity ng, kumbaga, yung production ng sales is para mas maging matatag at kumbaga mas mabenta at the same time mas yung mga may mga sakit makatulong si Essensa pa. Okay. Okay. Essensa has a four products. We have for health, beauty, personal care, and household. So that's all is organic product. Like this one, health. For health natin, we have a Guamera Mix, Red Mint, Guamera Soft Gel, 100% pure Guamera, and Sanji Coffee, and the Moro Blend. Mamaya po. And then we have for beauty care, and for gustong magpaputi, we have a Ultra White. Kung gusto nyong Cutis Koreana or Koreano, we have a Revitan set. And sa mga may mga kaedaran na at gusto pang mas mag-glow ang iyong beauty, for sensitive skin na rin, we have a La Mera set, and we have a, para mas madagdag pa ng additional na whitening, okay, we have a whitening pearl white lotion and whitening pearl white wash. Okay. And then we have for personal care, we have for Purity, whitening soap, moisturizing soap, antibacterial soap, body contouring soap, deodorant, Active Plus, and John Carroll talcum powder na kung saan may pudbus ka na, may pabango ka pa, and we have a hand sanitizer, 99% kills germs, and we have a Shea Butt shower po na kung saan good for baby siya, and then we have a EDC cologne, and we have a whitening lotion, shampoo, and conditioner. And then for household naman is we have a dishwashing liquid, powder detergent, dishwashing liquid pack, and fabric softener na kung saan all organic to dahil ginamitan siya ng delemoning effect na kung saan kahit halaman na nalalanta ay pwede yung pandilig. Yung halimbawa niyan is yung powder detergent, yung unang banlaw po natin sa powder detergent, pwede natin pandilig sa mga nalalantang halaman, pwede pa pong mabuhay kasi it's all about organic yung ingredients dito, kumbaga may delemoning effect po. Okay. So, sabi nga din doktora, mahalaga iisa lang ang ating buhay na kung saan kailangan natin pangalagaan. Okay? So, ang ating body is composed yan ng 37 trillion cells. Pero in 37 trillion cells, and it composed of 4 tissue, 78 organs, and 12 body system. Pero the most important thing here is our cells. Pinakamaliit siya, pero pinaka-importante siya sa loob ng katawan natin. Okay? Hindi ko na po siya i-discuss. Okay. Ito na lang. So, sa cells, okay, we have a normal cells, we have a, sa loob ng katawan, pwede tayo magkaroon ng cancer cells na tinatawag due to, ano ba yung mga cause or root cause or cofactor para magkaroon tayo ng cancer cells. Ayun yung oxidative stress, number 1. Chronic inflammation, pharmaceutical drugs, yung mga chemicals pa na mga matataas, toxicity and acidity, environmental toxin, smoke, alcohol, stress, insomnia, nutritional deficiency. So, all of these root cause is called for cancer, pagiging cancer po. Okay. So, for our cell nourishment naman, okay, ito po yung hinihingi ng cells para mas self-divide, para maging healthy si cells. Kailangan po natin ang cells hinihingi po sa atin ng vitamins, minerals, amino acid, antioxidant or enzyme or fat solubles, and macromolecules and other. So, 5 po ang hinihingi for cell nourishment or essential nutrients for cells po. So, ang good thing niyan is meron pong nilabas si company na kung saan is a cellular product na kung saan ito ay may mga matataas na ORAC value or matataas na antioxidant. So, ito po ay isang Moro Blend product. Okay. Moro is come from the Greek word berry, so blend of berry siya. So introducing you the 6 synergy ingredients of Moro Blend, which are aronia berry, elderly berry, acai berry, guamera, mangosteen, and barley grain. So, isa-isahin natin. Okay, dito tayo mag-focus ngayon sa aronia berry. Ano ba si aronia berry? Aronia berry is a king of antioxidant. Okay, one of a few natural foods with exceptional with a high concentration of antioxidant and flavonoids. Okay, as you can see here, ang antioxidant ni aronia berry for 100 grams is 16,062. So, napakataas niya. Okay, the most powerful and healthiest berries in the world. Okay, high concentration of antioxidant and flavonoids and rich source of fiber, vitamin C, and manganese. So, ang most focus dito about K cells na kung saan ini-eliminate niya yung cancer cells ng ating katawan. Okay, pag-aralan natin. Aronia berry or chokeberry ay matatagpuan po sa North America na ginagawa po yung juices, brews, jams, jelly, syrups, teas, and especially wines po. Yan po ang ginagawa nila sa aronia berry. So, ito pong illustration na to, kumbaga comparison po siya from the other berry na sumunod dito yung isang ingredients natin si elderberry po natin. So, ayan, yung comparison. Okay? So, ito naman po yung nutrients percentage per 100 grams na makikita natin kay aronia berry. It has a folate, vitamin A, CEK, sodium, potassium, calcium, iron, magnesium, manganese, and zinc. So, ang dami pala natin makukuhang nutrients kay aronia berry. So, ito naman po yung next picture is nagpapatunay na kung saan, ito po in-screenshot ko po ito na sa PubMed po galing ito na may benefit, kumbaga confirmed useful in protection and treatment of various disease from aronia berry juice. Okay, number 1, meron siyang antioxidative, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and anti-cancer. Okay, so pwede sa may mga cancer, hypertension, cirrhosis, diabetes, disorder of digestive system, reproductive system, of the nervous system, cancers, and other degenerative disease. Okay. Therefore, in terms of aronia berry, pero ang pinagkunan po natin sa North America na kung saan ito po ay nakakategorya sa Melancorpa 2N na tinatawag. So, may highest ORAC siya, highest anthocyanin, and low pelonics. Okay. Natin. So, aronia berry has a 6 epigenetic knockout punches against cancer cells. 1, destroying its activity. Dinidestroy yung activity, yung formation ng cancer cells, and provide repair to the damage of DNA. Okay. And habang pinapatay niya, kinaganda kay aronia berry, habang pinapatay niya yung cancer cells, hindi namamatay si cells. Kumbaga, sinusuporta niya, mas binubus pa niya ang good cells sa loob ng katawan natin. Okay. Ito po yung screenshot na kung saan si aronia berry is maganda po siya sa mga may diabetes. Kaya i-regulate niya po yung kung kayong mga matataas na sugar, i-regulate niya ang pagkakaroon ng diabetes. So, the good thing here is kay aronia berry, meron siyang special. Okay, special na tinatawag na ingredients na kung saan ito po ang vitamin B17. Sino na pong nakarinig po ng vitamin B17 or na rekomendahan ng doktor ng vitamin B17 aside from B12, B6, B9, wala pa na po. So, vitamin B17, ano ba yon? It's called as amygdalin or light rail. Okay, sa glucoside nutrients linked with the cancer prevention in alternative medicine practices. So, pag-aralan pa natin kung ano ba meron kay vitamin B17. Okay, din-discover yan ni Dr. Ernest T. Kurtz noong 1830 as tinawag pa noon as amygdalin yung vitamin B17, okay, sa bitter almonds. Pero pinomote niya noong 1950s, dininay po ng mga pharmacy, ng mga doktor dahil alam naman po natin na aronia berry po is matatagpuan na sa North America at mapipitas mo lang para siyang mangga, 'di ba? Para siyang prutas lang sa bakuran mo, mapipitas mo lang. Siyempre, ang ano ng mga doktor doon is gusto nila yung kumbaga pumunta sa kanila yung pasyente, alam nilang maraming benefits kasi si amigdalin or si aronia berry. Until naging pangalan niya is Lytrail. Hindi masyado matunog ang vitamin B17, Lytrail, pinalitan siya, and 1971, Lytrail was banned. Ngayon po, nakikilala na si vitamin B17 dahil nakita nila ang kagandahan ni vitamin B17 na marami pala siyang matutulungan at sa ating katawan at mataas ang mga, kumbaga maraming vitamina tayo makukuha. Okay. Vitamin B17 kills cancer cells, it strengthens the immune system, and prevents the cancer cells. So, pwede pakibasa po ito kung nakikita, the highest and powerful substance of vitamin B17 can be found in with superior antioxidant that contains therapeutic healing, restoration, and regeneration, kills and destroy to flash out through the diuretic effect. Ibig sabihin, ang vitamin B17 has a therapeutic healing and restoration and regeneration. It's just like a stem cell and may pag-aaral talaga si vitamin B17. So, para mapag-aralan natin si vitamin B17, ano bang function niya? Paano ba yung nag-work sa ating katawan? Okay. But before that, ito yung mga strangers na kung saan pwedeng pumatay kay good cells. Free radicals, oxidative stress, inflammation, chronic inflammation, tissue damage, DNA mutation, and cancer. So, pag-aralan natin na sa chemistry, yung chemical formation ng vitamin B17. Vitamin B17 has a cyanide, benzaldehyde, 2-spike sugar. So, okay. Ayan po yung illustration. Okay. Etong triangle po is a B17. Palitan na lang po natin ito ng aronia berry. Kasi ang B17 ay matatagpuan po siya sa 5 prutas, prutas at gulay, bitter almonds, apricot, aronia berry, berries, and raspberries. Parang 5 po siya. Pero ang pinakamataas po doon si aronia berry. So, ito ang vitamin B17 natin. Meron siyang cyanide, benzaldehyde, and 2 sugar or glucose na tinatawag. Okay. Ito po yung cancer cells natin and the normal cells. Mapapansin nyo dito si cancer cells, bakit meron siyang pinakamakapal na kulay red? Yan po ang tawag dyan is yung sheet po or beta-glucosidase or tinatawag na protein wall po. So si normal cells din may protein wall din pero manipis lang. Kumbaga magkaparehas sila ng damit. Okay. Kapag papasok ka ng isang opisina, parehas kayo ng damit. So sa immune system ngayon, hindi ma-determine, minsan hindi basta-basta namamatay si cancer cells kahit bago pa na si cancer cells dahil meron siyang damit na pang-empleyado. For example lang po natin yon. Parehas tayo ng damit, so yung security guard hindi niya matek. Yung security guard yun po yung immune system na kung saan taga-check po siya kung kayo po ay empleyado ba talaga or hindi. Okay. So si cancer cells meron din siyang damit katulad ni normal cells. So nakakapasok siya sa loob ng ating mga organs, nakakapag-multiply siya. Okay. To prevent or para mawala, eliminate si cancer cells, we need a vitamin B17. Okay. Sa chemotherapy, sa radiotherapy, hindi siya basta-basta namamatay si cancer cells. Bakit? Si cancer cells has a thicker, 3,000 times thicker than the normal cells, yung protein wall niya. Kaya hindi basta-basta namamatay. Kaya minsan, doktora, di ba, mapapansin natin ang pasyente is, ano bang tawag dito? Lantang gulay, mahina, dahil pati si good cells, namamatay. Pinapatay po ng chemotherapy si good cells. And si cancer cells, pwede pang mabuhay kasi makapal or may shield si cancer cells. So the good thing here is, para labanan si cancer cells, para puksain po ang wall protein ni cancer cells, we need a vitamin B17 okay, hydrogen cyanide and benzyl hydrate, babasagin niya ngayon yung protein multivitamin B17 until si immune system, alam niya na madedetect niya kung sino po ang kalaban, si cancer cells. So, the good thing here is, i-eliminate niya ngayon, papatayin niya nga po ngayon si cancer cells with your immune system and vitamin B17. The good here is, habang pinapatay niya, minsan nagkakaroon ng, di ba, pain sa ating katawan. Okay. The good thing is, oxygen plus benzyl hydrate, it will magkakaroon po ito ng benzoic acid, natural benzoic acid or analgesic or antiseptic or pain reliever, natural pain reliever. E paano yan kung wala naman akong cancer cells? Ang kinaganda dyan kay vitamin B17, it will kumbaga magpo-form yan ng chemical reaction with thiocyanate, mapupunta naman kay liver. So si liver ngayon magproproduce ng vitamin B12 and i-regulate ngayon ang iyong blood pressure and blood sugar po. Yan po si vitamin B17. Napakaganda kahit wala kang cancer cells or mapuform pa lang siya ng cancer cells, kaya niyang i-eliminate. Okay? Kahit yung mga stage 4 cancer, kaya niyang matulungan with the vitamin B17 of aronia berry. Okay? So, ito po yung picture na nagpapakita na kung saan si immune system, yung kulay pink, and si cancer cells, wala na siyang protected na protein wall. So, kaya nang patayin ni immune system si cancer cells. Natutulungan or nabubus pa. Okay. Ito po yung pag-aaral na kung saan sa National Library of Medicine, PubMed, okay, na kung saan kahit absence daw yung zinc, is still magaling pa rin po si vitamin B17 as a cancer effect po si vitamin B17. Okay? Or si aronia berry. So, aronia berry is good for the cancer, stroke, arthritis, heart failure, Parkinson's disease, arteriosclerosis, chronic bronchitis, diabetes, renal failure, ischemia, Alzheimer's disease, premature aging, and multiple organ failure. So, ang sabi nga ni Dr. Ernest T. Krebs dito na kung saan, if vitamin B17 is just accepted as a vitamin C, okay, there is no disease called cancer. So, mayroon palang vitamin B17, ngayon lang natin nalaman, okay. So, next ingredients natin is the acai berry. Acai berry or heart of palms na kung saan meron siyang 15,405 ORAC value loaded with a powerful plant compound that acts as an antioxidant that could have benefits of your brain, heart, and overall health. So, main function nito is to improve cholesterol levels. Okay, kung sino gusto magpapayat, maganda si acai berry. For your eye health din po, maganda rin. And to boost your brain function and boost your energy. Okay. And si acai berry is matatagpuan ngayon sa South America. And then meron siyang 19 amino acid as well as several sterols. Okay? So yung mga nagwo-workout, 'di ba may mga tinitik po kayong amino acid. So nandito rin yan kay acai berry. Okay. The next product natin si elderly berry. Tinatawag siyang top superfood. Bakit? Is being packed with antioxidant. So meron siyang 14,697 ORAC value or antioxidant which kumbaga promoted siya as dietary supplement for cold, flu, and other conditions. So napapanahon po ngayon. So help in weight loss, boost immune system, and reduce appearance of wrinkles and age spots. Okay. So si elderly berry is matatagpuan po siya sa Europe na kung saan mostly ginagawa siya ng wines. Okay? And ang pinaganda kay elderberry is good siya for constipation, joint and muscle pain, infection that how you breathe, okay, sa respiratory system, headaches, fever, kidney problem, epilepsy, minor conditions, stress, and even HIV and AIDS. So, si elderly berry is much focused sa mga viruses. So, i-eliminate naman niya po ang virus, okay? Like yung COVID, okay? So, ito po yung screenshot na kung saan na nagpapatunay si elderberries po has a potential supplement to improve vascular function in SARS-CoV-2 environment. So, alam naman natin na kung saan ang balita meron daw outbreak na ngayon na pertussis or whooping cough, di ba, doktora? So, huwag kayong mag-alala dahil meron tayong elderberry at aronia berry na nagpo-focus much more on viruses na kung saan nakakatulong po si elderberry to boost your immune system. Okay. And then the next ingredients natin is a barley grain. Barley grain is the healthiest grain, is one of the most widely consumed grains in the world. Okay. Okay, bakit? Meron siyang 25,500 ORAC value with high fiber, especially beta-glucagon, which may reduce cholesterol and blood sugar level. So, pampababa siya ng blood sugar and aid weight loss and improve digestion. So, for ano po siya? For colon detox, pwede rin po yun. So, next ingredients natin is the mangosteen. Mangosteen naman ay kinilalang queen of fruit. Okay. So, napakaganda niyan and meron siyang 25,000 ORAC value. Ang unique dito is meron siyang antioxidant na tinatawag na xanthone. So, prevent digestion, prevent kidney stone, fight heart disease. Okay. And last but not the least, we have a guamera. Guamera po, okay. Guamera or red fruit na matatagpuan sa Papua New Guinea, Indonesia. Okay. So, may kita nyo, may haba siya ng 1 meter na kung saan na-discover ito ni Dr. Nishigaki, na naghanap si Dr. Nishigaki na may napangluna sa mga malulubhang sakit. Okay. Si Dr. Nishigaki pumunta sa Papua New Guinea, Indonesia at may nakita siyang mga tribo na nakabahag lang. At the same time, ang mga tao doon is mga matatanda, 94 to 90 years old, 90 years old to 94 years old is nakakaakyat pa ng bundok at the same time ng puno. So, it means to say na wala silang gaanong sakit at hindi uso dito yung mga may sakit na may diabetes, heart failure, wala dito. Dahil ano bang mga kinakain lang nila. Okay? Ang kinakain lang nila umaga, tanghali, gabi is guamera. Eh, ang guamera, it has a ORAC value ng 69,500 ORAC value. Na kung saan, may example ako nito, is yung purong-purong guamera na kung saan, kung kayo ay may nilalagnat, pag inom nyo po yan, after 1 hour or 15 minutes, wala na po ang nagtasyon. Kasi tinulungan po i-boost na immune system ng guamera na meron siyang 69,500 ORAC value per 100 grams. So, napakaganda ni guamera. Okay. Guamera is rich with the antioxidant called beta-cryptosantine that boosts the immune system, na napakaganda siya for high cholesterol, Alzheimer, asthma, arthritis, bronchial problems, cancer, diabetes, prostate problem, poor memory, constipation, UTI, and dengue, leptospirosis, and other degenerative disease. So, guamera is good for source of vitamin A with 130 alpha carotene and 1980 beta carotene and 1460 beta cryptosantine. So, meron po siyang fat-soluble vitamins din katulad ng vitamin A, D, K, E, F, and unsaturated fatty like omega 3, 6, and 9, and mineral compound na may mataas siyang calcium, potassium, ferrum, phosphorus, and organic zinc. Like I said before na kumbaga nakakaakyat pa ng puno, so mataas po ang calcium ni guamera. So yun po ang nagpapatunay, at the same time hindi po uso doon mga sakit na namamatay lang sila sa katandaan po. Doon po sa tribo po ng Papua New Guinea, Indonesia. So overall, ang Moro-Blend ay may mataas na mga prutas na may mga matataas na ORAC value. So yan po ang pinagmamalaki ni Essensa, na ang Moro-Blend is pwedeng pang-compete international, is a cellular products talaga siya. So, yun po, sana marami po tayong natutunan sa araw na po ngayon. So, kahit times up na po tayo, at kailangan natin tangkilikin at gamitin, kasi kapag hindi natin ininom po at sinubukan ang Moro-Blend, hindi po natin malalaman yung epekto po ni Moro-Blend sa ating katawan. Maganda po siya, actually. Marami po nagsasabi.
And na out of stock na po siya sa market, sa office po natin. And yun na po, and God bless.